Ever wondered how long you can test drive Spocket before committing? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the Spocket free trial. Let's get started. Imagine having a virtual storefront packed with thousands of trending products, ready to be shipped directly to your customers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Spocket's free trial, it's a reality. But how long do you get to play around with this dream before the clock runs out? The free trial duration. The good news is, Spocket offers a generous free trial period. While the exact duration may vary slightly, it typically gives you enough time to explore the platform's features, test drive products, and see if it's the right fit for your business. What you can do during the free trial. During the free trial, you can create a Spocket account, set up your store, and start browsing the vast product catalog. Import products. Add the products you like to your store with just a few clicks. Customize product listings. Tailor the product descriptions, images, and pricing to match your brand. Place sample orders. Test the shipping process and product quality by ordering samples for yourself. Integrate with your e-commerce platform. Connect Spocket to your online store, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc., to start selling immediately. Benefits of the free trial. The free trial offers several benefits. Risk-free exploration. You can try Spocket without any financial commitment. Product testing. Assess the quality and shipping times of the products. Feature exploration. Discover the full range of Spocket's tools and capabilities. Informed decision-making. Make a well-informed choice about whether Spocket is right for your business. Tips for making the most of the free trial. To get the most out of your free trial, consider these tips. Start early. The sooner you begin, the more time you'll have to explore and experiment. Focus on your goals. Determine what you want to achieve during the trial and prioritize your activities accordingly. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to Spocket's customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. Consider a paid plan. If you find Spocket to be a great fit, explore the paid plans to see how they can benefit your business. So, how long is the Spocket free trial? While the exact duration may vary, it's designed to give you ample time to evaluate the platform and make an informed decision. Remember, the best way to see if Spocket is right for you is to try it out for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.